Hello everyone, so how to install NBC on Apple TV4. So just go to this blue icon with Apple TV store, and then basically I have here search on the right, and then okay, I will need to erase my previous searches, and then just search for NBC, and there you have it here. Just click on it, and then on the left you need to click get, or if you already downloaded it you will see some kind of cloud icon. Then you will need to wait until it downloads. Then just click open, and there you have it. Here's an NBC app. Then you will need to log in basically. Yeah, and it will appear on your home screen right in the very bottom, but you can just like hold and just move it around. So that's how it works.